Building Trust After Betrayal. Welcome to Secrets of a Successful Relationship, where we delve into the intricacies of building and maintaining strong, lasting connections. In today's episode, we will be exploring the delicate process of rebuilding trust after betrayal. Join us as we uncover the psychological impact of betrayal on relationship trust, the power of open communication and forgiveness, and effective strategies for setting boundaries to protect your relationship. Be sure to watch until the end for valuable insights and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more content on fostering healthy and thriving relationships. Understanding the psychological impact of betrayal on relationship trust. Betrayals in a relationship can have profound psychological effects, often leading to a breakdown in trust between partners. The impact of betrayal on trust is complex and multifaceted, with emotions such as hurt, anger, and betrayal itself influencing how trust is rebuilt. One of the key facets to understand is the concept of betrayal trauma, which can lead to feelings of shock, disbelief, and deep emotional pain. Partners may struggle to make sense of the betrayal, leading to confusion and a sense of emotional turmoil. Moreover, the psychological impact of betrayal on relationship trust can manifest in various ways within partners. For the betrayed individual, trust issues might surface, leading to difficulties in fully trusting their partner again. On the other hand, the betrayer may experience guilt, shame, and a loss of self-esteem due to the harm caused to their partner. These conflicting emotions can create a barrier to rebuilding trust within the relationship. Understanding the psychological impact of betrayal on relationship trust also involves acknowledging the role of communication in the healing process. Open and honest communication is crucial for partners to express their feelings, share their perspectives, and work towards rebuilding trust collaboratively. Without effective communication, misunderstandings and unresolved emotions can perpetuate the cycle of mistrust, hindering the relationship's ability to recover from the betrayal. Furthermore, the process of rebuilding trust after betrayal requires time, patience, and mutual effort from both partners. It involves a willingness to address past issues, confront underlying insecurities, and actively engage in rebuilding trust through consistent actions and words. By fostering empathy, understanding, and forgiveness, partners can navigate the complexities of betrayal's psychological impact on relationship trust and gradually work towards healing and strengthening their bond. Rebuilding trust through open and honest communication. Effective communication is fundamental in rebuilding trust after a breach has occurred in a relationship. Open and honest communication serves as a bridge for partners to express their thoughts, emotions, and concerns transparently. By creating a safe space for dialogue, partners can address the root causes of the mistrust and work towards finding common ground. It allows for the exploration of underlying issues, perspectives, and feelings that may have contributed to the breakdown in trust, fostering understanding and empathy between partners. Moreover, communication plays a vital role in setting expectations, boundaries, and commitments as part of the trust rebuilding process. Through clear communication, partners can establish agreements, boundaries, and guidelines that promote trust and accountability. This not only helps in clarifying intentions and actions but also in demonstrating a commitment to rebuilding trust through shared understanding and mutual respect. In addition to verbal communication, nonverbal cues and behaviors also influence the effectiveness of rebuilding trust. Body language, tone of voice, and gestures can convey sincerity, empathy, and authenticity in communication, enhancing the message being delivered. Being attuned to nonverbal signals and responding with openness can strengthen the emotional connection between partners during the trust rebuilding journey. Furthermore, active listening is a crucial component of open and honest communication when rebuilding trust. It involves fully engaging in the conversation, showing empathy, and validating the other person's feelings and experiences. By listening attentively and without judgment, partners can create a space for vulnerability and understanding, fostering a sense of closeness and connection that is essential in rebuilding trust. Relying on consistency and accountability to restore trust. Consistency and accountability are key pillars in the journey of rebuilding trust after a betrayal has occurred in a relationship. Consistency entails following through on words and actions over time, demonstrating reliability and predictability to rebuild credibility. By maintaining consistent behavior and responses, individuals can gradually restore faith in their commitment and intentions, showcasing that they can be relied upon to uphold their promises and responsibilities. Moreover, accountability plays a crucial role in regaining trust as it involves taking ownership of one's mistakes, acknowledging their impact, and actively working towards making amends. When individuals hold themselves accountable for their actions and behaviors that led to the breach of trust, it indicates a willingness to be transparent, responsible, and proactive in addressing the consequences of their choices. This acceptance of accountability fosters a sense of integrity and sincerity that is essential in rebuilding trust. In the process of rebuilding trust through consistency and accountability, it is important to recognize that trust is fragile and requires time, effort, and dedication to be reestablished. Consistent actions aligned with words, coupled with a commitment to being accountable for one's behaviors, contribute to laying a foundation of stability and reliability in the relationship. This foundation provides partners with a sense of security and assurance that progress is being made towards rebuilding trust authentically. Furthermore, embracing transparency and openness while demonstrating consistency and accountability reinforces the belief that individuals are committed to restoring trust in the relationship genuinely. Communicating openly about intentions, actions, and progress towards rebuilding trust can help partners navigate challenges, setbacks, and vulnerabilities with honesty and integrity. By fostering an environment of transparency and mutual accountability, individuals can actively participate in the trust restoration process, strengthening the emotional bond and connection between partners. Exploring forgiveness as a powerful tool in rebuilding trust. Forgiveness is a profound tool that holds transformative power in the process of rebuilding trust post-betrayal in a relationship. It involves letting go of resentment, anger, and negative emotions associated with the breach of trust, allowing for healing and emotional growth to take place. By choosing to forgive, individuals transcend feelings of hurt and betrayal, creating space for understanding, compassion, and empathy towards the other person's actions. Moreover, forgiveness contributes to the restoration of trust by fostering vulnerability and openness in communication between partners. When individuals extend forgiveness, they open the door to honest conversations, emotional intimacy, and shared vulnerability, creating a deeper connection and bond. Through forgiveness, partners can express their emotions, concerns, and needs openly, facilitating transparency and understanding in the relationship. In the context of rebuilding trust, forgiveness serves as a catalyst for personal and relational growth, enabling individuals to move forward from the pain and turmoil caused by betrayal. By choosing to forgive, individuals embody strength, resilience, and empathy, demonstrating a willingness to work through challenges and adversity together. This shared commitment to forgiveness promotes unity and solidarity, emphasizing the value of the relationship and the importance of rebuilding trust with compassion and understanding. Furthermore, forgiveness paves the way for a renewed sense of trust and hope in the relationship, allowing partners to look towards the future with optimism and resilience. Embracing forgiveness as a transformative tool in rebuilding trust signifies a willingness to release the past and embrace a new chapter of healing, growth, and connection. Through forgiveness, individuals can transcend wounds of the past, embrace a mindset of renewal and restoration, and embark on a journey towards rebuilding trust with courage, empathy, and grace. Strategies for setting boundaries to protect the relationship after betrayal. Setting boundaries is a crucial aspect of protecting a relationship post-betrayal. Establishing clear and healthy boundaries helps maintain a sense of safety, respect, and accountability within the partnership. By clearly defining what behavior is acceptable and unacceptable, partners can rebuild trust and prevent future harm. Boundaries act as guidelines that outline expectations, limits, and consequences, fostering a sense of security and stability. One effective strategy for setting boundaries after betrayal is open communication. Partners must openly discuss their feelings, needs, and expectations regarding trust and respect within the relationship. By engaging in honest and transparent conversations, individuals can collaboratively establish boundaries that are mutually agreed upon and respected. This open dialogue promotes understanding, empathy, and compromise, creating a foundation for healthy boundaries that safeguard the connection. Another strategy for boundary setting involves self-reflection and self-awareness. Individuals must take the time to reflect on their values, priorities, and personal boundaries, understanding what is essential for their emotional well-being and the health of the relationship. By cultivating self-awareness, individuals can articulate their needs and boundaries effectively, expressing them in a manner that is assertive yet compassionate. Understanding one's own boundaries is fundamental in creating a relationship dynamic that is based on mutual respect and consideration. Moreover, practicing assertiveness is key in setting and reinforcing boundaries post-betrayal. Assertiveness allows individuals to communicate their boundaries confidently and firmly, without aggression or passive compliance. Assertive communication empowers individuals to express their needs and expectations clearly, creating a healthy balance of autonomy and interdependence within the relationship. By practicing assertiveness, partners can navigate challenges, address breaches of boundaries, and strengthen trust in a manner that is respectful and constructive. Building Trust After Betrayal. Thank you for joining us on Secrets of a Successful Relationship as we explored rebuilding trust after betrayal. Stay tuned for more insightful content to strengthen your relationships. Don't miss out. Subscribe for expert advice and like this video to support our channel's mission of fostering healthy connections.